Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna sit down and play with the new makeup with you guys because I have so many new products that I've been really wanting to try that I'm actually excited about. So let's get started. I don't have any new primer or foundation that I'm really excited to try right now, so I'm just gonna do my primer and foundation. I will leave what I use down below, but I did just purchase the new Makeup Forever, Makeup Revolution foundation, conceal and define foundation, because that one, like, everyone has been raving about, and the packaging looks so nice. The product just seems like it's gonna be good because, like I said, everyone's been raving about it. So I'm actually really excited to try it. So I didn't receive it in PR, so I went ahead and just purchased it because I wasn't sure if I was gonna receive it in PR or not, so I kind of waited for a little bit and I haven't. So I had to purchase it because I'm really excited to try it. I am going to use Desert Beige today because your girl went dark with her self-tan. Yay, I'm excited. I love being super tan, like I live for it. I come alive, like I come alive. Okay, so I actually have a new concealer to try that I'm really excited for. Okay, so this is the new Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. I really like the big applicator. I feel like everyone and their mama copied Tarte with the big applicator. What I'm gonna do is take the shade Almond and I am going to mix it in just like that. Okay, I'm excited for this. So take my 3D HD and start blending. I mean, I don't know if it's because I put a lot of product or if this is actually how it is, but it looks pretty full coverage. I actually haven't really seen that many reviews on this concealer, so I don't really know what people are saying. Are people liking this concealer? I like it so far. It looks really good. I don't know if it's necessarily gonna replace my Tarte and my KKW because I'm just like so in love with those two, but I mean, it looks really good. Okay, so I really want to try this Huda Beauty powder. This is their baking powder, and this is in the shade Sugar Cookie. I really wanted the shade Banana Bread, I think I wanted, but I received this one in PR. This is Sugar Cookie, which I think is just like, I don't know, like universal or transparent or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is take my beauty blender and we're gonna bake a little bit, which I never bake. Well, let's see how it goes today, right? I have tried baking before, obviously, and I do know that I don't like baking for long because I find that it starts to look too cakey if I bake for too long. I literally like to bake for like a minute. So I'm just gonna slowly start dusting it off in the center, and then I'll move to the under eye. Well, that feels super smooth, like I can tell already. It's dusting off nicely, which is nice because I have tried baking before, and one of the times the powder that I used, which I can't remember what it was, but the powder that I used didn't dust off properly. It kind of just like stuck and looked patchy. I feel like that looks good. I just always feel like every time after I bake, my under eye looks so dry. But what is good though is that I do have oily skin, so even if I look a little bit dry right now, I know in like an hour or so it'll look flawless. You know what I mean? Like, I just need to give my oils a chance to break through, because they will. I feel like that looks really good though. It looks super smooth. I wasn't really a fan of the KKW baking powder, but I do love their brightening powder, so I'm just gonna put a little bit under there just to brighten. So I am just gonna contour my nose really quickly. This is the KKW stick. So I'm gonna do quickly some cream contouring with the Wet n Wild in the shade Where's Walnut, and then we're gonna try out some new powder bronzers. So I'm just gonna quickly do a little bit of contouring first with the cream product. Okay, so I really like how that looks. So now I'm really excited because this is the first product by Sigma in a long time that I'm actually excited for. This is their new Sculpt and Blush palettes. Like, look at the packaging. So beautiful. Like, I'm really excited for this. Normally, I'm not gonna lie, for the past like while I haven't really been that excited about new Sigma launches. I feel like there hasn't been anything new and innovative and exciting, and not that this is like completely like innovative and crazy and different, but it just, I'm vibing with it. It sticks out to me. I really like this. So this is their highlight and contour palette. I'm really excited to try these bronzer shades mostly and that contour shade. And then this is their blush palette. So beautiful. So I'm really, really excited to try these, but I'm kind of conflicted because I also have these new Wet n Wild bronzers that I really have been dying to try. Like, I love Wet n Wild, you guys know this. And the fact that they came out with bronzers now, I'm so happy, like so ecstatic. So this shade called Throw Shade has been sticking out to me. Really want to try it. I don't know how pigmented it is, so I'm kind of just, I only dipped into it twice. Tap it off. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, I can already see. I don't know if you guys could already see, but I already saw that it deposited a great medium coverage, which I really like. I mean, I'm sure you could build it up, but I just like a bronzer that isn't too overpowering at first. So I don't think I'm gonna use these highlights because, I don't know, the shades don't really scream to me. I do have this Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette that they sent me that looks really nice, but I also have this Makeup Forever strobe, and this actually looks really pretty, like super duper pretty. There's like the tiniest amount of shimmer in it. I think I really want to try this. Oh wow, that's really pretty. A little bit on the yellow side, which I'm not a huge fan of. Like, sometimes I just don't like when golds are too yellow. So I already know that I won't be able to use this when I have my regular tan on, because right now I'm a little bit on the darker side. But if you are a darker tan than I am, then you would love this. It's just on my skin tone right now. It's pulling up a little bit yellow. This is the new Fenty Diamond Bomb. I already tried this, but I wanted to share it again in today's video because I really want to try just topping it off again. I loved this last time. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, I love this stuff. Okay, so this highlight, beautiful, but a little too golden, like a little too yellow for my like taste. But if you are a little bit darker than I am, you're gonna love this. So I do want to apply some blush, and I haven't applied blush in like forever, so I don't really know what I'm gonna, let's be honest, I'm gonna use this one. The most natural shade. Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do my brows and I'll hop back on camera. Okay, so brows are done, and I'm so excited because I am going to be playing with the brand new, like they literally just released this. Not released, but like just showed it yesterday, whatever, for the first time, and I just received this yesterday in the mail. This is the new Anastasia Sultry palette. It is so beautiful. I know a lot of people are calling it boring, but you know, whatever, your girl's boring, so I like it. I think it is so beautiful, like really, really pretty. I just mainly love like all the shimmers. I think that's what's really getting me is like these shimmers. And I honestly didn't even know that this palette was so brand new. I got it in the mail yesterday, and I'm in Canada, so I never get PR packages before other people. Like, I never do. Everyone else always gets it first, which is fine, but it's just a fact. They always get it first. So when I got this in the mail, I mean, I hadn't seen it before, but I just figured maybe I missed it on Trend Mood or something. So I Instagrammed it, I IG storied it as soon as I got it because the PR package was beautiful. So I just posted it right away, and I had no idea that they didn't release this yet. Like, when I posted the IG story, Anastasia and Norvina had just posted about it. Like, I think they posted about it at the same exact time that I did, or half an hour after me. Something like that. So I had no idea, but I was literally this close, like this close to accidentally leaking this. And I was so, for a minute there, my heart froze. Cause I was like, oh shit, like that's, like I really did not mean to type of thing. Like if I actually, cause for a second there I was like, did I just leak this palette? So I quickly went on Norvina's Twitter and IG and everything, and she literally just posted about it. So I was like, oh my God, thank God, because I was like this close to leaking it accidentally and I had no idea. There wasn't any notice or any letters on the package saying like, don't post this until this date or whatever, nothing. And like I said, I just figured I kind of missed it on Trend Mood, so I just, you know, posted about it. Oh my god, I was so scared for a second there, because honestly, I feel like leaking a product is such a disrespectful thing to the brand, you know, because they work so hard and they deserve to release it on their own terms. So for a second there, I thought I accidentally did, and I got so, like, my heart just stopped. Like, I was so shook, because you guys know me, I hate drama. Like, it just gives me anxiety. I hate negativity. I hate drama. So I was like, oh my god, no, please don't let me get caught up in some drama here that I just did not even mean to. But it's all good, okay? I did not leak it. So anyways, I'm really excited for this. I think like this shade is calling my name. This shade and this one and this one maybe. I don't know. Just they're calling my name. So I also want to quickly talk. So I'm going to use the shade Birch. I'm really curious to see the formula. I also quickly want to say, I want you guys to know what you could expect from me is don't expect these crazy, creative, extremely creative, dramatic looks. Just don't expect that from me, because that's not who I am, and I can't fake it, and I can't pretend, and I can't force myself to do things that aren't me, you know? So I just wanted to mention that really quickly, because I know I'm gonna get a few comments, which I do, like every time I do a makeup tutorial, I get the comments like, oh, you do this look every time, but it's like, okay, like that's, you know, I stick to neutrals, get over it. If you don't like it, then I'm just not the one for you, you know what I'm saying? Like, just straight up. There are times when I get like this random inspiration to just try new technique or creatively use different colors. Like, I honestly do get really inspired sometimes. It's rare though, it's rare. So I'm not gonna force it, but it does happen sometimes. And when it does, I do love to play with colors and techniques and stuff, but I only like to do it when I'm genuinely inspired, because then the look comes out so good because I'm like passionate about it, you know? Anyways, I just wanted to mention that this is not going to be like a crazy different, extremely colorful look, but that's not what I'm going for. I like neutrals, you know? I like golds, bronzes, neutrals, nudes. So anyways, let's try Birch. What I think I am going to do is I might do like a halo eye, like just pop the color in the center. So I think I'm going to use Birch and just put that all from here to here. This is beautiful and it blends really nicely. So let's see how the rest goes. Okay, so I think I'm going to take the same bronzer that I used, and I am going to apply this on the outer, over, and inner. So I'm going to take the shade, is that called Dystopian? Yeah, Dystopian, this beautiful deep brown. And I'm just going to shade in the inner and outer corner a little bit more. Just a little bit. Like, I don't want this look to be too dramatic and too smoky, because I've really been liking soft, it's funny because they have a palette called this, but soft glam. I've been really liking soft natural glam. Like, I just really haven't been liking extremely done up makeup, or at least done up eyeshadow. I still love like a glam face, but I've been liking like simple eyes, you know? So I'm going to take both the bronzer and Birch and apply that underneath the eye, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space, I think, for the center shade. Okay, I am really excited to try this shade. I don't even know. Yeah, like so beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. I am going to try it just with my finger first. I feel like I should take this leftover concealer and make like a little, yeah. Oh my god, so pretty. Like, I die. Oh my god, like I cannot. I'm just using this brush. The other side barely, like, has like nothing on it. It's a little bit dirty, but there's like nothing on it. I'm just using that brush to blend it out. And then now I'm gonna take this clean brush. This one is by Marc Jacobs. Elf has one that's like exactly like it. I'm gonna take some setting spray and I just want to amplify this. Oh yeah. Just gonna amplify it, and I kind of want to bring it up more, like right here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take my finger and smooth over it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. So I'm actually gonna take a little bit of that and also put it right under here. And then on the edge, I'm just gonna blend it out. So what I just did was I just took some of Steampunk. So Steampunk is the gold, and I just put the gold a little bit on the bottom on top of Ember because this shade is underneath. Your under eye tends to have like that shadow. So this shade underneath was looking dark and like it wasn't popping as much as the lid because the light hits the lid, right? So I just went ahead and put a little bit of that gold and it brightened up the bottom, and now it looks like it matches. Now I'm just taking a little bit of pearl, and with my finger, I'm literally just taking like the tiniest little taps and just very lightly putting that in the inner corner. So all I did just now was take a little bit of Steampunk, like the tiniest bit, and I just did a little tap tap. Just added a little shimmer of gold on it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and then some falsies. I'm gonna put those on and do my mascara, and then I will be right back. Okay, so eyes are done, and now we're gonna move on to the lips. Let's be real, your girl wants a nude lip with this. Let's do the lip line. So this is MAC Cork. Okay, so I don't know if I want to do this, which I think I might do this. This is the L'Oreal Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Tooth, and it is a beautiful shade. Smells amazing too. I'm going to keep that in the center. I feel like this looks so good matte. I don't know if I want to put on a gloss. Oh my god, I'm the most indecisive person too. I think I'm gonna keep it matte, which kind of sucks because I wanted to try these, but sorry guys. Sometimes you just gotta go with what you're vibing with. That's my motto in life. Go with the vibe. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun playing with new makeup, testing new items out that I genuinely was just excited for, and I love this look. Like, this super golden-y, olive-y look I'm living for. And I will link my top down below. I know a lot of you guys always ask me where I get my tops from, so I'll link the top down below. I'll link the jacket, but I think it might be sold out. But I'll link it anyways, just in case it goes like it's stocked again, like I can't even get a sentence out. And I'm also gonna link this necklace as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.